I filmed this video 3 times now. So this is a different kind of video than I usually film. And I didn't really want to do it, but then when I felt these switches, I knew I had to. The Akko Rose Reds, or really just pinks at this point, in my opinion are some of the best budget linear switches on the market right now. At $10 per 45 switches or $13 per 45 on Amazon, these offer a great value for the linear feel that they give you. I mean, I like this switch so much that I use it in every spacebar on every keyboard I own. They use these super smooth 15mm progressive springs that bottom out at 55 grams and actuate at 43 grams. Oh, there's a fly went into my eye. So a bug just flew into my eye. These switches also bottom out at 3.5mm instead of the normal 4mm, and I could actually feel this. So I tested them out with some games to see how that would go. Their stock experience is comparable to the stock experience of the Telios V2, except they're a tiny bit scratchier. Yet, I think they feel better because they don't have any of that unrefined feel. They feel more than smooth enough to use stock, and I don't think they require any switch films. I'd put them on the smoothness scale somewhere right around there, and lubed I'd put them somewhere right around there. Stem wobble on these, on the other hand, is very minimal and you can barely feel it. And this causes them to feel incredibly consistent and very smooth. No matter what angle you hit them at, they will feel as smooth as all the other angles. Now, my favorite part, their sound. Let me just say these switches thocc. They have minimal to no spring ping and they won't make you wear any noise cancelling headphones like some, other switches like that. like the Otemu Blues. It has a nice deep sound signature made slightly pearly with the help of the PE foam mod. And overall, I just really enjoy their sound. So without further ado, here are the sound tests. So my opinions on these are that lube, they definitely sound more refined and deeper, but stock is way more than good enough to use. I can't vouch for these switches enough. I think lubed and unlubed, they are great. They're amazing to use. While playing games though, I definitely felt them affect me. Even though I quit Osu a year ago, they allowed me to stream faster and an overall more enjoyable experience. But in other titles such as Risk of Rain 2 or Hollow Knight, my 2 favorite games, I didn't feel a big difference. So to summarize, I think these are the true butter on a budget switch, and anybody who's looking for a switch and are under a tight budget should really seriously consider these. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you a great insight on these switches. Comment if you feel like it, subscribe, bye. A serious thought.
Oh shit.
Definitely consider